class. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
All right. Today we're going to learn a new letter. The letter we are going to learn is M. What's the name of the letter?
M.
Good. The sound this letter makes is M. Say M.
Mmm.
Good. Okay. So we're going to practice writing the capital M, the big M. So eyes up here. We're going to start at the top, straight down, pick our pencil up, slant down, slant up, straight down. Okay, everybody. M. Try with me. Ready? With your finger. Start at the top,
Start at the top,
straight down,
straight down,
pick our pencil up,
pick our pencil up,
slant down,
slant down,
slant up, slant down.
straight down.
M.
Mmm.
Good. Okay, let's try it again, this time with your pencils. Ready? Start at the top,
Start at the top,
straight down,
straight down,
pick our pencil up,
pick our pencil up,
slant down,
slant down,
slant
slant
up,
up,
slant
straight down.
down. M.
Mmm.
Good. Okay, this time I want to hear you say it without me. Ready? Start at the top,
Start at the top, straight down, slant up. Oh no, pick our pencil up. Slant down, slant up, straight down.
M.
M. Mmm.
Good, very good. All right, so now look at all the M's you wrote on your paper. I want you to circle your very best M. Good. Okay, now I want you to look for the M that's a little bit wobbly, maybe a little bit crooked, and I want you to erase that M and write it again. Great job!